With null value colors, you can define how null values, that means missing values, should be displayed. The default setting is auto. In this case, the Vizlib table determines how null values will be displayed. If you switch to custom, you can choose the setting. At the bottom of the table, there are null values, and Qlik Sense displays them with a gray background and a dash. But now you can change this. Null value BG color, where BG is the abbreviation for background, defines the background color for null values. If I change this to red, null values are highlighted in red.